Hi, my name is Breece and I'm with Hubbell Wiring Devices. Today we're going to review one of the many offerings that Hubbell has. It is our countertop pop-up receptacle. In this unique product, you'll see that I'll point out many features and benefits that no other manufacturer is offering today in the market. This product also is ideal for high-end kitchens for their granite countertops as well as islands. This meets the UL 496 Section 146 code, which means that while either in use with the pop-up or down, it has to withstand a half-a-gallon water spill test over the top of it. You wonder how we're able to accommodate that? Well, it's quite simple. We use self-sealing silicone gaskets through the receptacle as well as the housing of the unit. So in this way, if the unit is either down or up, you're sealed from any water damage or potential hazard of a shock. Hubbell is unique in this area, for we're the only one to meet the NEC 406.5 standards for countertop receptacles. Second, aesthetics. We all know that's important, particularly in these high-end kitchens that we're putting out there. That's why Hubbell offers 7 different colors on these rings to match your decor. Brass, nickel, chrome, brown, and white to match most interiors. Lastly, longevity. It's a key thing that we do at Hubbell. We built a really good, solid unit. It's fully non-metallic, so we don't have to worry about any structural integrity or coming in shock. On the base where you bring the cabling in, it's metallic. This way we can maintain a grounding continuity as well through the unit. This is a nice, small, compact design. So when your guy is cutting your granite, you can request that he just cut a 3-inch cord hole to where this unit will drop right down inside. Or if you have the standard Flamenco or Korean, you can decor that hole yourself and pop it right through the top. On the bottom, from an installation perspective, you'll see that it's a clamp design insert where you just run the wires up inside and do your standard terminations. All circuits must be GFCI protected. You'll have to do that either at the panel or at a remote source. This is not, and I want to repeat that, this is not GFCI. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the Fromm video on Hubbell countertop pop-up receptacles, and I look forward to seeing you again at Fromm Electric.